Welcome back to Canva tutorial. Hope you have been practicing. Today's topic 3, is on how to create YouTube thumbnail for your content. Please remember to subscribe. I have something for you today. You know our previous video, how we created that first video. If you want to find your job that you did the first time or any of the jobs that you do later on, click on project. That's where you find it. See your work here, the frozen food. So I'll click on it to open. Remember? Yeah, I hope you practiced. However, today I want to show you how to create what is called thumbnail. For instance, if you go to YouTube now, let's go to YouTube. I'll show you what I mean by thumbnail. Okay, so YouTube, right? You see some of these videos, the first screen that you see, this is called thumbnail. The first one you see before the video plays is called thumbnail, like this one, thumbnail. Okay, I want to show you how to create your own thumbnail for your video. Now, how do you do that? Let's go back to the home page for Canva. Again, you create a design, then you search for YouTube thumbnail. You see it here, click on it, and then ta-da, it opens for you this way. Okay, now you can choose a design. Again, remember the free ones, and you can see all that you have here. You can click on see all and choose what you like. Okay, can you see that? Oh yeah. So let's see about your frozen food, right? So let's click any of this one, or we can just go look for food, type on design here and check for the food. Let's say food. Yes, so you can click any of this. See how to cook delicious recipe. Okay, so you can just see how to make the frozen food, right? Frozen food, frozen food, something like this. Okay, and then you have your thumbnail. But if you want to change the pictures here, you can change it. For instance, let's check our video that we have. Videos, do I have anything food here? Or I go to element and find food, right? For instance, this one now, I'll say frozen food and see whether I have any free video to use. Frozen food. Okay, so let's check this one out. It doesn't have any crown, so it's free to use. Then you can change the video, the image there, change it, and then replace it with this one, maybe. Okay, this is what you want, right? Amazing. So this is it. So you can just do a screenshot of this work, or just make a download. Easy download, very easy. Okay, so click on share, click on download, and then the file type is PNG. It's not a video this time, it's just an image. So we choose this. Okay, so we choose that one and then click on download, and then it's downloaded, it's completed. Okay, again, it downloads on your computer. So now let me show you how to use thumbnail in your video. Okay, so we'll go over to YouTube channel to show you how to do that. Let's head over to YouTube and I'll show you how you will upload your video, assuming you already have a channel. Then another day we'll teach you how to create a YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go type here YouTube, and then you come to YouTube, click here, and then you head over to your channel. For instance, in case you already have it, like I said earlier, you click there and click on YouTube Studio, and you're here. Now it's time to click on create, click on upload, and then select the file you want to upload, and then you go all the way straight to what you want to upload. I have it in my here. I click on open, and then it starts uploading. So it will take a while for YouTube to upload the video to your channel. All you have to do is to start inputting the details. So what is the title of my video? I've already typed it somewhere. I'll just pick it up and then paste it over there. Have this one, so put the title, then you can put some hashtags, then the description also. I have that one ready, so I'll put that one also and impute here. Now you can see that your video is still uploading here. Then just scroll down and keep up adding information to your video. Now remember, this video is about teaching you the thumbnail, so this is the part about the thumbnail. Okay, now select or upload the picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers attention. Exactly, so click on this, upload your thumbnail, then it will take you to your computer where you choose where your thumbnail is. I just downloaded the one that I showed you, so this is where it is. However, for the video I'm uploading, I have to choose the right one. So now I have that. I clicked on it, teaching you how to do Canva. That's my thumbnail. This is the way it will appear. It might not be the best. Some people can do better work than me. Just go ahead and be creative. Put on your creativity, headgear. Let's continue. So just note that this part, YouTube will automatically generate thumbnails for you, right? You might not like what it's generated for you, so the thumbnails will be generated from the video you uploaded. So just for you to have exactly what you want, you have to design your own and put it here, just like the way we did that. So let's go ahead. So most of the content here that you're supposed to put might not necessarily be important at this stage, so just go ahead and follow what I'm doing. So here the video is not for children. I click on not for children, then click on show more, and scroll down. There's more information, very important one. So here the video language, is it English, is it what? Choose that video language. Okay, and I just choose whatever. If you're in UK, choose this one. If you're anywhere you are, there's just the regular English, so that one. Then another one is the recording date, if you want to put that one. So this one is holding today. Then you scroll down. Very important is this part. So you can see here, let others create shots using content from this video. This is your privacy section. Okay, if you leave this thing on at this first one, allow video and auto remixing, people can use your videos and create whatever. It means you're automatically giving them permission. But if you do not want people to use it, for instance, there are two more options. Allow only audio remixing, so they can only use the audio, or you don't want any remixing at all, so you can set it to don't allow remixing, so nobody will be able to access your video to be able to remix it. It means I've not given you permission for any of those things, so stick to that. Then the category, what kind of video are you making? So if your video is about skits, comedy, choose comedy, education, entertainment, whatever it is. So this video is about how to use Canva, so I can choose that one. Okay, how to. So depending on what your video is about, choose the right one, and then as your category, then comment. Do you want people to comment? Click on do you want off? Choose depending on what you want, then you click on next. So this other part just leave for now. Okay, when you're an advanced level content creator, then you understand this part. Let's leave it for now. Then click on next, which is the third part, is checking for various things, especially copyright. Okay, so we'll check your video for issues that may restrict its visibility, and then you will have the opportunity to fix the issues before publishing your videos. Okay, so it's checking for copyright right now. You can actually go ahead, you can see upload is complete now, so it's checking for the copyright. You can go ahead next, then choose visibility. How do you want people to see your video? Do you want everyone, which is public? Do you want private, only the people you choose to watch your videos? Okay, then you share it privately. But if you want public, then this. Okay, then here you're not listing it anywhere, just anyone with the video link can watch your video. So unlisted, you don't want it to go to the public. Unlisted is usually used for schoolwork, maybe your department, your professor gives you people a particular project and they want you to use YouTube to make your presentation, or like upload a presentation on YouTube and the professor will take his time to watch it. You'll be told to make it unlisted, because it's schoolwork. But for this purpose of content creation, is for money, whatever you want to use it. You just want the public to see it. So click on public, and then you scroll down, and then just check all that things, just read all these things, and then you go ahead and click on publish. Okay, just watch and see what will happen. Okay, so the standard definition version of a video needs to finish publishing before your video will go on public, wherever it is processing something. So that's okay. You close and hold on for it to finish. So go to your content, and then that's where you see it is showing pending. By the time it's finished, I'll show you what it looks like, the final version of it. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Yeah, now it's completed. You can see no more pending. It's now in public. Anybody can see it in the world, anybody on YouTube, and then there's no restriction, so you don't have any copyright issues. Here you have successfully uploaded your first YouTube video. Let's click on the content and see. So here you can click here to play the video, to just look at it again. Teaching you how to amazing. So I hope you got value today in what we did. Please put in the comment section what you think about it, what you want to learn next. Just let me know. And when you try yours, please remember to share what you did and all that. We'll have more videos for you. Please stay tuned, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.